Hi everyone, it's me JoJo, and today's video is a behind the scenes on an incredible opportunity that I mentioned in my previous couple of videos to actually be one of the two makeup artists. We worked as the team, me and my darling friend Jade, on this incredible campaign called Trans as Human. Now, this is shot by Mariano Vivanco, who is a superstar photographer that I have been wanting to work with for my whole career. I've worked with a lot of the legends in the industry, but he's definitely been one that I've been so excited to work with because back in the day, I was asked to do a photo shoot for him for the cover of Dazed Confused magazine. And it was just, it didn't quite come together at the right time. But anyway, this was even better because it got to really be a purposeful moment to do my job. Now, Trans as Human was created by Jake and Hannah, and I was invited by Jude to actually be involved in this. And me and Jade worked as a team. So I actually only got the chance to film her do some of the makeup, and she didn't get the chance to film me in return. But I thought it would be interesting to show you guys like what it's like when I'm not doing makeup on me, because I know a lot of you guys have seen me do videos for years where it's just been me as the model, but we had so many different kinds of models. All of the actual incredible creators were just people of such amazing stories, and it was incredible to become friends with them all. Now, I was really interested in the lighting because I always see this in Mariano's work. He stages the lighting in such a strategic way so that the shadow is cast on half the face. And it always gives some depth in the background that's clean. And it's something that I've been noting since he shot all those incredible images back in the day for all the magazines. There was an amazing one that he did with Jessica Stam that I loved. But I just thought this was such a gorgeous, gorgeous project. And Lorraine actually featured it on TV because it was initially on the billboards at Westfields. It was all over the different kind of like electronic plats, whatever you call it, plinths. And then on top of that, we got to then stage it. Well, not me, the incredible Jake and Hannah at Outernet. Now, I was intrigued watching this on Lorraine because Lorraine's actual TV did not post it on their YouTube, so it was quite disappointing, but I got it because I know what these girls are up to when they take all these trans positive stories off, but I captured it, and I was thinking about like doing tomorrow's video and thinking about like what I could do. Maybe I could talk you through a professional makeup kit because I haven't done a video like that for 11 years, believe it or not. I think it was the end of 2014 I did a video like that, and now we've got to the big league. So yes, thank you for the love, guys. See you in my next video tomorrow, and take care.